Have you ever wondered why people, even those in happy relationships, cheat on their partners? It's a question that has perplexed many, and it's a situation that often leaves us questioning the very foundation of trust and love. Infidelity, or cheating as it is commonly known, is a universal human dilemma that cuts across cultures, societies, and personal beliefs. In every corner of the globe, in every era of history, infidelity has been a part of the human narrative. It's a complex issue that affects a vast number of relationships, even those that seem to be brimming with happiness and mutual understanding. The face of infidelity is not always the discontented partner or the loveless relationship. Sometimes it's the couple that seems to have it all, the couple that seems perfectly in love. The prevalence of infidelity is staggering. On every continent, in every society, countless relationships are derailed by the pain and betrayal of cheating. It's an issue that has the power to shatter trust, to break hearts, and to end relationships. The impact of infidelity is far-reaching, touching not only the individuals directly involved but also their families, their friends, and their communities. Yet, despite its widespread occurrence and devastating effects, infidelity remains shrouded in mystery. Why do people cheat? What drives an individual to break the trust of their partner, to risk everything they have built together, for a fleeting moment of pleasure or a perceived sense of freedom? These questions are as old as the concept of monogamy itself. To truly understand why people cheat, we must first delve into the complex world of human psychology. The human mind is a labyrinth of desires, fears, and contradictions. It's a world where rationality and emotion often clash, where the heart and the mind are in a constant tug of war. To explore the psychology behind cheating is to venture into this labyrinth, to navigate its twists and turns in search of answers. So let's embark on this journey together. Let's explore the psychology behind infidelity. And perhaps in understanding, we may find ways to prevent it, to heal from it, and to build stronger, more trustworthy relationships. To truly understand why people cheat, we must first delve into the complex world of human psychology. There are several psychological theories that attempt to explain why people engage in infidelity. Let's start with the evolutionary psychology theory. This perspective suggests that our tendency to cheat might be rooted in our evolutionary past. Men, from an evolutionary standpoint, have been wired to spread their genes far and wide, hence the inclination to cheat. Women, on the other hand, might cheat to secure better genes for their offspring. It's a fascinating theory, but it's important to remember that we've evolved over centuries, and so has our understanding of fidelity. Next up is the attachment theory. This theory posits our relationships with our primary caregivers during childhood shape our behavior in adult relationships. Those with secure attachments are less likely to cheat, while those with insecure attachments, such as avoidant or anxious, may be more prone to infidelity. It's a theory that emphasizes the importance of emotional security and how it influences our actions. Then we have the social learning theory, which suggests that cheating is a behavior learned through observation and reinforcement. If a person sees infidelity being rewarded either in their personal life or in the media, they may be more likely to cheat themselves. This theory highlights the impact of our environment on our behaviors. But let's not forget the cognitive dissonance theory. This theory suggests that people cheat to alleviate the discomfort brought on by the contradiction between their actions and beliefs. For example, someone may cheat and then convince themselves that their partner was also likely cheating, to justify their actions and reduce the discomfort of their guilt. Finally, there's the self-esteem theory. This theory proposes that individuals with low self-esteem may cheat to boost their ego, seeking validation outside of their relationship. It's a theory that underlines the role of personal self-worth in infidelity. These theories, while insightful, don't fully capture the complexity of human behavior and emotions. Each theory provides a unique perspective on why people cheat, but infidelity is a complex issue, influenced by a myriad of factors. It's a labyrinth of emotions, circumstances, and individual quirks that makes each case of infidelity unique. Scientific research has shed light on some of the common factors that contribute to infidelity. The world of psychology and sociology has been abuzz with studies and research papers trying to decipher the cryptic code of infidelity. Let's dive into some of their findings. One of the most cited reasons for infidelity is marital dissatisfaction. When the emotional needs of an individual are not met within the relationship, they may seek fulfillment elsewhere. This isn't to say that all unhappy marriages lead to cheating, but dissatisfaction can certainly sow the seeds of infidelity. Communication, or rather lack thereof, is another major player in this game. Research suggests that when couples struggle to express their feelings, desires, and concerns to each other, it creates a void. This void can sometimes be filled by someone outside the relationship, leading to infidelity. Now let's talk about narcissism. Narcissism is characterized by an inflated sense of self-importance and a lack of empathy for others. Research finds that individuals with narcissistic traits have a higher likelihood of being unfaithful. They often struggle with commitment due to their constant need for validation and admiration. But it's not just about personality traits and relationship dynamics. Opportunity and situational factors also play a significant role. Imagine someone who travels frequently for work, spending nights in hotels away from their partner. The opportunity for infidelity is starkly higher in such situations. It's not an excuse for cheating, but it does underscore the fact that circumstances can influence behavior. Research also points to the slippery slope phenomenon, where what begins as innocent friendship gradually crosses boundaries, leading to infidelity. It's a reminder that cheating doesn't always start with a grand plan. Sometimes it's a series of small steps that lead someone astray. Understanding these factors can provide us with valuable insights into why people cheat. But it's important to remember that every individual and relationship is unique. So while these findings offer a broad brush picture of infidelity, remember that the reasons behind cheating can be as complex and varied as the people involved. Our personal values and beliefs play a significant role in our decisions, including the decision to cheat. Now, it's important to understand that our personal values and beliefs aren't just a list of do's and don'ts that we carry around in our heads. Rather, they're part of our very identity. They make us who we are, influencing our behavior, thoughts, and emotions. They're like a compass, guiding us through the complexities of life. When it comes to infidelity, these deeply entrenched values and beliefs can significantly influence whether someone decides to cheat or not. For instance, someone who strongly values honesty and loyalty might find it hard to cheat even in the face of temptation. On the other hand, someone who prioritizes personal satisfaction or believes in the idea of multiple soulmates might be more likely to cheat. Cultural norms and moral beliefs also play a part. In societies where monogamy is the norm and infidelity is heavily frowned upon, people might be less likely to cheat. But in cultures where polygamy or having multiple partners is more accepted, infidelity might be viewed differently. Of course, it's not as black and white as that. People are complex creatures and our values and beliefs can sometimes contradict each other. For instance, someone might value honesty, but also crave novelty and excitement. In such cases, the decision to cheat might be a result of a struggle between these conflicting values. Moreover, our values and beliefs aren't set in stone. They can change over time based on our experiences, relationships, and personal growth. Someone who cheats might start questioning their values, leading to guilt, regret, and possibly a change in their beliefs. Lastly, remember that while our values and beliefs can guide us, they don't control us. We have the power to make our own decisions, to choose our actions. We can choose to act in line with our values or against them. It's a matter of personal responsibility. Our values and beliefs shape our actions, but they can also be shaped by our actions, including the decision to cheat. Infidelity is a complex issue with no single explanation. As we've journeyed through this exploration together, we've discovered that the reasons behind infidelity are as diverse as the people who engage in it. From the theories we've discussed, we can see that it isn't a simple matter of right and wrong, but a tangled web of motivations and circumstances. Whether it's due to evolutionary instincts, dissatisfaction, or the pursuit of novelty, cheating is a multifaceted issue. The research we've delved into paints a picture of the psychology behind cheating. Studies show that factors like personality traits, marital satisfaction, and opportunity can all play a role. But these are not definitive predictors of infidelity, merely pieces of a larger puzzle. Remember, humans are complex beings and our actions are often influenced by a myriad of internal and external forces. Then we have the role of personal values and beliefs, the moral compass that guides our actions. For some, the idea of fidelity is absolute, while for others, it's more flexible. These values and beliefs can be shaped by a variety of factors, including upbringing, culture, and personal experiences. The complexity of human behavior means there's no one-size-fits-all answer to why people cheat. But one thing is clear: understanding the psychology behind cheating is crucial. It allows us to empathize, to communicate, and to address the root causes rather than the symptoms. It helps us to recognize the signs of potential infidelity and perhaps even prevent it. In the end, it all comes down to understanding. Understanding ourselves, our partners, and the dynamics of our relationships. By gaining a deeper understanding of why people cheat, we can better navigate and strengthen our relationships. So let's keep learning, keep understanding, and keep communicating. Because when it comes to relationships, knowledge truly is power. By gaining a deeper understanding of why people cheat, we can better navigate and strengthen our relationships. Remember, knowledge is